Hi, and welcome back to today's morning report. Charles Appraisers on Thursday, the 26th of November, with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantech Markets. Looking at dollar yen now, and we have got on this dollar yen chart an interesting move actually, because we've seen this dollar strength throughout second half of October into November, basically for the past month, and then just in the past week or so, it's just started to drift lower, and that was maybe a bit of a safe haven trade, possibly coming through there. But certainly now on the technicals, we're seeing this possible test of the 2220 support, which is sort of a key level near term, because if you see a breakdown below that, that is a would actually complete a double top pattern, and I can show you that on the hourly chart a bit better, where you got this move here. Just in the past few weeks, really, that's 2220 is that key support that would come in to protect that chart pattern from completing. But you look at the momentum indicators; they are actually beginning to break down. Look at those stochastics falling quite sharply now, which suggests that the downside momentum is growing. You've seen the MACD lines also crossing over. And also the RSI falling back below 60. So there is the potential that this is going to complete as a pattern. I think that generally speaking, I'm still dollar strong on this chart, and I think that what we're going to be seeing is a move back towards probably a test of the August high again. But just at the moment, it is sort of threatening a bit of a near-term correction. That correction I would see as sort of a move probably back towards this old maybe old well, was a resistance, became supportive. So I think it could be a sort of move back towards the sort of 61.8 or maybe even the 50% retracement level of this move, but of this original sell-off in August. But I still see that I think that this chart will be pushing higher and using a correction as a sort of a buying opportunity for the dollar bulls to continue higher, because I think there is further gains in this chart. The Japanese inflation data this evening is a risk for this chart. For if it continues to disappoint to the downside, say for example negative 0.2%, that would certainly give this chart a boost, I think, to the upside, because that would sort of point the market towards potentially further easing from the BOJ. But at the moment, it is sort of slightly strengthening on the yen, and the pressure could well come on that support at 2220. If you look at the hourly chart, it's not really too much suggesting that it's going to be an imminent breakdown. The RSI continues to find support around that sort of 30 level, and it trades between there and the 70 level. So it's fairly neutral, I think, on the hourly momentum. But just at the moment, there is a slight sort of yen strengthening that you can see that may well put pressure on that 2220 support. So that is the test, I think, for today. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. I think.